off your phone, man. I can see it up to your ear. Terrible driving like that.
She's got her wheel turned a little bit. I wonder if she's gonna punch it and fucking drive right into this Nissan here. I think it's a Nissan. Oh yeah, it's a Nissan. She doesn't have to turn much. She looks like she's got the capability to punch it. There it goes! Oh, almost! That would have been cool right in front of the troop, huh? Alright. Coming over Mercedes, gun, I'll see a blinker there, man. I gotta